Hi guys, week 2, day 2 of our Dawn Patrol sessions. Good morning, or whatever time of day it is for you. All right, let's go ahead and wake up the wrists. So just gonna start shaking the hands out for me. Again, you'll notice each day I kind of like get us started. All right, don't wanna waste time, we just move. Then you're gonna place the back of your hands together, give me some circles. 4, 3, 2, and then reverse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now, cross one arm over the other, so it's an X. You're going to roll in and out, so it's called a therapeutic wrist roll. Roll in and out. Good. Getting that body awake. Good. Switch it up. Other side. Maybe you're like, hey, this is a good one for right before I start lifting or right before I start work, especially if you use your hands a lot. Good. Exhale, shake those hands out one more time. Good. Now try to make it down to kneeling without your hands. You may or may not be able to do this. Try to make it up to standing without your hands, still shaking it out. Switch, other knee comes down. Good. And then back up. And if that is like a heck no, I can't do that, then that's your homework, okay? All right, wide stance again. So we did some wide-legged forward fold yesterday. So today I want a wide stance. Place your hands on your thighs. Open up those hips. Good, little side to side. So stretch out your groin. It's called goddess pose. And then push down into those feet. Stand up. Good. Repeat with me. Sink down. Good. Exhale, push. Beautiful. One more time. Sink down. Turn your fingers in this time. Drop a shoulder in. Give me a little twist. Good. Switch. Drop a shoulder in. Give me a little twist. Nice. Inhale, push to those feet, stand up. Woof, my legs, they're tired. And then we're going to bring it down one more time, hands at heart. Add a little pulse. 8, 7, 6. You might just feel a tiny little bit of heat. Remember, it's not your workout. You're good, you're good. 3, 2, sit really low. Stand up. Good. And then heel to your feet together. We're going to cross one foot over the other, so your pinky toes are going to touch. All right. You're going to put your hands on your hips. You're going to bend your knees a little bit, hinge forward. Use a wall if you need to. We used a wall yesterday. Use your yoga blocks if you have them. I'm going to turn and just going to fold. Now, right foot is crossed over left foot. Walk your hands to the right. So your back left hamstring should be feeling most of this stretch. 3, 2, center, and then roll it up. Good. Switch your legs. So uncross, bring the left leg over the right leg, cross. Squeeze your legs firmly together. Use your wall if you can't go all the way to the ground. Okay, totally normal. Use your yoga blocks if you need to. Minnie just yawned behind you guys, so you might have heard that yawning. And then fingertips go left. Good. Stretch, stretch, stretch. 3, 2, center, and then push down through those feet. Slowly rise up. Good. Exhale, uncross your legs. Good. Shake them out right and left. Step your left foot back for me into a lunge. Right foot is forward. Your left arm is going to stay in the air. Your right hand's going to stay on your hip, and you're going to lean to the right for a lateral stretch. You've done these before. Not in this place, but you've done a lot of lateral movement. Good. One more hold. Exhale, step your foot back up and switch. So right foot steps back. Right arm rises and then opens. So you're going to feel all that in your hips on the right. 3, reach, 2, and 1. Whew, mine are tight. So one more time on each side, okay? So step the left foot back. I'll forward face you just so you can make sure you're doing it correctly. All right, lunge position. And then you lean away from the back leg. So my left leg is back, which means my left arm is up, and I'm reaching and leaning to the right. Good. Exhale, come up. Then we'll switch one last time. Step it back. And then you'll reach. Whew, hip flexors are tight. Maybe you sleep in a little ball, so if you do, it's a good thing to do is stretch it out. Good. Exhale, release, and step up. Good. Back to that wide-legged stance. Toes turn out 10 and 2. Hands to thighs. Exhale, drop a shoulder in. Inhale, stand up straight. Other side. Exhale, drop a shoulder in. Stand up straight. Raise the arms up with me. Pull them to the heart. Pulse it. Final 8, 7, 6, 5. Wake up those adductors. Another set of muscles we need to learn how to use a little better. 3, 2, 1. Sit low. Press up. Good. Bring those feet together. Shake out your legs. Shake out your hands. All right, one more shot. Can you shake out your hands while you lower a knee? And then stand up. And then switch. And then stand up. Good. And then you're going to cross one arm over the other. Therapeutic wrist roll in and out. 3, 2, 1. Switch. In and out. 3, 2, 1. Good job, guys. Release those hands, bring into heart center. Beautiful job today. Nice work on day 2. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of week 2. Namaste.